is changing expectation from a should to a could. And when you say traffic should be this way, traffic could be this way. The kids should be this way, the kids could be this way. My life should be this way, your life could be this way. Then you get to access your heart and be able to actually make changes instead of just being right with yourself all the time. Because being right doesn't benefit you. Take one hand, grab onto being right. Take your other hand, grab onto being happy. Now choose. Because when you're choosing to be right about something, you don't have access to happiness. So for the rest of the evening, notice when you're not experiencing the way that you want to feel, and stop shoulding all over yourself. Should, S-H-O-U-L-D. And start coulding all over yourself, and life could be so much better. I appreciate you. I hope you come to my behavior training tomorrow.